Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting foldable phones of the year, the Honor Magic V Flip 2. If you thought the first version was impressive, Honor just raised the bar in a big way. So let's talk design first. The Magic V Flip 2 is slimmer, lighter, and feels more premium than ever. Honor has managed to shave down the hinge, making it almost seamless when closed. And the big star here? That huge external cover display. It's brighter, smoother, and now supports more widgets and full app functionality. Honestly, it's giving Samsung Z Flip a run for its money. Under the hood, you're getting flagship-level power. We're talking about the latest Snapdragon processor, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and storage that goes all the way up to 1 terabyte. Multitasking, gaming, or editing, this phone is built to handle it all. Now, let's get into cameras, because this is where Honor really surprised me. The Magic V Flip 2 comes with a dual flagship camera setup on the outside, optimized for both day and night shots. Thanks to Honor's advanced AI processing, your selfies and videos are sharper, more detailed, and way more vibrant. And since you can use the cover display as a viewfinder, you can shoot pro-level selfies with the main cameras. That's a big win. Battery life is another highlight. With a larger cell this time and super fast charging, you can go from 0 to 70% in under 20 minutes. That's insane for a foldable this compact. Overall, the Honor Magic V Flip 2 isn't just about looking cool, it's about performance, practicality, and a design that really makes you rethink what a flip phone can do in 2025. For US buyers who've been waiting for a true Samsung alternative, this might be the foldable to watch. So, what do you think? Would you choose the Honor Magic V Flip 2 over the Galaxy Z Flip 6 or Motorola Razr Plus? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.